So you need about 30 minutes to cool off, right? Yeah. Hey man, y'all racing? I'm testing too. Testing too? Yeah. Hey man, I'm trying to get some races with this car I built for roadkill nitrous. Yeah. This is all it has is a red eye engine in it, 100 shot of nitrous. Yeah. We're trying to get some content. You want to do it? Okay. Keep driving up. All right guys, check it out. It's Demonology and I'm here with another bad GTR, man. You know the GTRs are my favorite. Jasmine?
Yep, name's Jasmine.
Jasmine. Okay, so are you driving?
Yep, it's my car.
Man, I hate lady drivers. She drives better than him. They cut a good light. So what kind of tree do you want to race off of?
Whatever.
Pro tree?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna do a pro tree. Okay, so tell us about the car, Jasmine.
Bolt-on T85, nothing crazy. So my husband here, Chris, he owns the shop.
So Chris owns the shop.
Yep.
Hey, what's the name of your shop, man? Get in there and get your shop approved.
Manifest Performance is out of New York.
Wow, I finally met somebody that's not with Jotech. Okay. hey, my one partner, his car is out of New York. He doesn't let anybody touch it. So what's the difference about it?
Those are the wheels.
These are the wheels. Oh man, those are nice. These are the headlights.
And they work.
They work. Oh, hey man, they're not giving no secrets.
There really is no secret with the car.
Yeah.
It's stock and it's tuned.
Yep.
Okay.
It's got
cool.
full bolt ons, stock turbos, nothing crazy.
Man, I love the GTR. Look, full interior.
Yeah.
Everything. Oh man, it's a beautiful car.
Yes, sir.
Say you know it's fast when the exhaust.
When you got that right? That's right.
Yeah, when you got that blue look on the exhaust, that means don't mess with it. All right, hey, we'll see you on the track, Jasmine.
Absolutely.
Yes,
nice
ma'am.
to meet you.
So how was it? What did you think for?
I mean, you kicked my ass, that's for sure.
Wait a minute.
But it was fun.
I mean, it's not that bad for just taking a red eye engine, putting it in a car, and putting 100 shot of nitrous on it. And I didn't even use the nitrous.
I know, exactly.
I was waiting for you to come, so I had it on the scramble button.
I'm too slow for that.
Good job.
But I had fun.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so my husband owns a shop. It's in New York called Need for Speed NY. NFS Performance is another way. They have an Instagram, Need for Speed _NY on Instagram. He is moving it out here to Dallas area within the next few months. So
hey, we'll look forward to racing again.
Yes, absolutely.
We'll bring some fast stuff.
Yeah, next time you'll race his Evo, and then I'll have turbos on the GTR by then.
Nice.
So then we'd be out. All right, you too.
There you go, guys. Y'all want to race with me? Glad to race.
I don't know.
Let me know. Okay. What's up, bro?
How you doing, man? Big fan of your channel, bro. All right,
we'll let you know. Yes, sir. Are y'all ready? Gabriel, hey man, tell me about this Honda, Gabriel.
That's a little project for family project.
Is this a little grocery getter?
Yeah. No, the grocery getter, family.
Family? So do you and your brother-in-law build it together?
Yeah, I build it.
So y'all have your own shop or you just have the garage?
No, just in my garage.
At the garage?
Yeah, in my garage.
Okay.
And my free time, that's my home, you know.
Nice.
Try to enjoy.
Okay, we're gonna race you with this car that we built for roadkill night, and we'll just see what it'll do. Okay, let's have fun. So you need about 30 minutes to cool off, right? Yeah. man, good race, my brother. Good race.
Freaking even marking the light.
The beam is here, the car is back here.
Instead of getting on my nitrous button early, I wanted to wait to see if I saw you coming because I knew you was gonna come. But it still ran like a 9.2.
Remember, I think the first week from November is IFO.
What is IFO?
Face off.
Okay, hey, I'll come. I'll see if I can bring this car. If not, I'll bring the black Ghost for a second.
I want to bring you my turbo car.
You're gonna bring your turbo?
Yeah.
Okay, you bring your turbo and then I'll bring the black Ghost.
Deal. Yeah, man, I appreciate it.
Hey, man, good race, man. Good.
For Instagram, Carnaro 517-517.
Hey, man, I appreciate the race, brother. Next time. Look, hey, they out. I gotta put my car on the trailer, and they're driving.
That's right.
And he got AC.
Like,
And he got AC. Oh, it's cold. It's cold, and you're making your husband drive. Hey, my hat goes off. You guys won. You guys.
Are you here next weekend?
Yes, I'll be here next weekend.
Next
But I'm gonna bring the black Ghost. So that's a different story.
Yeah, but still. All right, awesome. Excited to
Take care,
see
guys.
you. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.